Yo, what's up everyone? I hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm going to show you how to add energy to your videos in the simplest way using crash zooms. This isn't only for music videos, this is used in all types of editing, but enough talking, let me show you guys how to make this effect. So right here inside of Premiere Pro, I have my clip lined up, and the first thing I'm going to do is come right here, right click, new item, and add an adjustment layer, and just drag that in over the footage. It's literally perfect length, that's insane. But I'm just going to start cutting it up where each clip splits. So once you've cut up your adjustment layer just like this, what you're going to do is come to the effects and you're going to search for transform, and you're just going to drag that onto the first adjustment layer right here, and then you're going to go to effects controls, uncheck this box right here, make the shutter angle 180, and then what you're going to do is select it, copy, and then just select all your other adjustment layers and paste, so you don't have to go through and uncheck the box and make the shutter angle 180 each time. It just saves time, to be honest. So what I'm going to do now is go to the very beginning of this clip, and I'm going to keyframe the scale and the position, and I'm going to go 5 frames ahead, and I'm just going to zoom that in. So now we're getting this kind of effect. And you can even just easy ease in those keyframes to make it look a bit smoother, just like that. And for the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in to like 165 keyframe the position as well, go 5 frames ahead and reset both, just like that. And for this next clip, I'm going to zoom in, so I'm just going to keyframe this right here, go 5 frames ahead and just zoom in, and I'm going to bring up the positioning as well, just like that. And pretty much just repeat the process. You can make it crash into the left, to the right, up or down. You can make it crash out or crash in, but remember, keep it 4 to 6 frames long. You don't want to go anything above that unless you want to make it very, very slow. But if you want a quick crash zoom, you got to make it between 4 and 6. So now that you've made all of your keyframe adjustments, this is what your clips are going to start to look like as soon as you have all of your keyframes made in the crash zooms. As you guys can see right here, we're getting all of these crash zooms, which is adding a bunch of energy and flow to the video. And if I were to take these off right here and disable them, the clip would look a lot slower and just a bit bland. So you can basically stack anything onto crash zooms. You can add flickers, hits, shakes, anything that just turns a boring video that has no movement, no energy into something that's really exciting to watch and that will keep your viewers hooked. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something here today. And if you guys want to go check out on my website, I have 2 energy packs where there's a bunch of shakes, hits, transitions, wipes, etc. I have a bundle deal for both of them, only $28 for both of them. The Energy V2 is at $24 and the Energy V1 is at $9.99. So on that note, I'll let you guys to it and see you guys next time. Peace.